So today I'm installing this what's it called boost controller on the car. I already done a couple things to the car. The car is tuned and everything, but I was told that the car was having a boost spike, so I got a smaller spring for the wastegate, and now it's running on 5 pounds. So you tell me we got a boost controller, that way we can like put a like small wastegate spring, and from there with one of these like add boost so it can be tuned. And he told me to do that and then bring the car back. That's what my tuner told me. This is what I said in boost cut. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Selling this shit. Okay, so find your hoses from the wastegate, which is this one. I added a smaller one on the other side. So basically you find the hose that comes from the vacuum and your wastegate, and then you cut it, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna add this where you cut it. So see the arrow, wastegate that way, so you connect this side to the wastegate side, and this from the vacuum source. If your turbo has a vacuum source next to it, which would be like connected like this, if yours came right on turbo, mine didn't, so I had to get it from the intake manifold right here. Then that'll be better, and then you just cut it whatever right here, and then add this. So mine comes all the way from the intake manifold. So I'm just gonna hook up this to this side, and then the one with the arrow on this side, and then you just mount it whatever you want it. I'm probably gonna put it right here somewhere. I can put it over here too, that's a good spot. So you want it as close as possible to the wastegate. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that right now. Okay, so here it is. I have all the way down, so I don't even know what each clip means. So I'm just gonna like have a turn. I'm just gonna be maybe a quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicks. The stock or whatever the gate I put on there is 5 pounds. So for 4 clicks, and see how much boost we get. So let's go see. Let's go drive around. Also, don't forget to lock the boost controller. This little thing right there. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so we're gonna do a pull now and see how much boost it makes. So that was 8 pounds. That was about 3 or 4 pounds more. Now the thing is that I locked the boost controller and I left the house and I didn't bring that little tool. So for now I'm gonna stay on 8 pounds, but it feels a little better now. So I guess it's working because it added at least 3 pounds more with 4 clicks. It added 3 or added 4, but yeah, it's working. So now I'm gonna do a little pull and show you guys the cluster, the gauge cluster, and go home. I can't add more boost because I left the I left the tool at the house. So yeah. That's it for this video. I'll be making a little more videos about other stuff, but I ain't got much shit going on, and it's fucking hot over here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.